Today I'm going to share with you the breakdown of a mortgage payment. There's actually 4 major parts that make up your mortgage payment, okay? For those who don't know, this will be a great educational episode for you, okay? So, you ever wonder what actually makes up your monthly mortgage payment? Well, let's break it down quick and simple. So the first part is principal. That's the portion that pays down the balance of your loan, right? Principal balance. The second part is interest. This is, what the bank charges you to have that loan, okay? So this is the cost of borrowing the money from the lender, okay? Third one is taxes. You gotta love taxes, right? Property taxes are usually collected with your mortgage payment. Some people don't do that, but more and more lenders are actually requiring that taxes be paid out of your mortgage. And then fourth is insurance. So that includes homeowners insurance. Sometimes it includes mortgage insurance, okay? And that, depending on your loan, makes up the insurance part of your payment. So put together, these 4 pieces make up your total monthly payment: principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, okay? So you understand this breakdown. That's going to help you budget more. It's going to help you budget better when that mortgage payment comes due. So again, simple episode here, okay? The breakdown of a mortgage payment. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have a mortgage payment where your homeowner's insurance is what's called escrowed or included in your mortgage payment? Share your thoughts in the comments. Otherwise, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. Be sure to head over to wherever books are sold online, including Amazon, for my latest book, The Senior's Guide to Buying and Selling a Home, the next chapter, and Think Like a Realtor, the little book about buying and selling residential real estate. Thank you.